Is debt always bad? Debt is not always bad. Whether debt is harmful or helpful depends on who is borrowing, why they are borrowing, and how debt is managed. This is especially important when comparing individuals versus countries. Debt for individuals. Debt is more limited and risky because you can lose your job or income permanently, and default has serious personal consequences. Debt for countries. It is less limited because they can exist indefinitely. Large economies can roll over debt instead of paying it off at once. This means countries can carry much higher debt levels without collapsing. A debt is good when it used for productive investment, raises future income or growth, improves long-term capacity of the economy. Debt is considered bad when funds are used for consumption, not investment. It is lost to corruption or inefficiency, has high interest rates or short repayment periods. It is borrowed in foreign currency with matching export earnings. States take on debt to smooth eco-cycles, to invest in long-term projects, to respond to emergencies, to cover budget deficits when revenues are low. Borrowing can be rational and necessary, especially during crises. A government does not need to fully pay off its debt the way a household does.